video we are going to differentiate a trig function. Now looking at the function y equals cos x over 1 plus sine x. Now since we are dividing two functions, we are going to use quotient rule. So we're going to let f equals cos x, so f dash is negative sine x, and we can let g equals 1 plus sine x. The differential of g is cos x. Now using the product rule formula, which is function 1 over function 2, differential is f dash g minus g dash f over g squared. So bringing down the functions, g dash is minus sine x and g is 1 plus sine x minus g dash is cos x times f function is cos x again over the g function, which is 1 plus sine x, and whole thing has to be squared. Now we will try to simplify. Looking at the first set on the numerator, we can expand. Minus sine times 1 is minus sine x, minus sine times plus sine is minus sine squared x, minus cos x times cos x is cos squared x over 1 plus sine x over all things squared. Now looking at the numerator, we can further simplify, because we got a sine squared and we got a cos squared, and there's a rule or formula for that which says cos squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So we can now try to simplify it. So we had minus sine x. We can bring out the negative from the others. So I'll bring out the negative. I'm left with sine squared x plus cos squared x over 1 plus sine x whole thing squared. So we're going to rewrite this in a more simplified version. Minus the next thing is equal to 1. So we can write 1 over the g squared function, which is 1 plus sine x whole thing squared. Now looking at the numerator and the denominator, they both have sine and both have 1, but the top one has minus sine and minus 1, so we can bring out the negative from the top and we are left with sine x plus 1 whole thing over 1 plus sine x whole thing squared. Since the top one has a sine and the bottom has 1 plus sine x, two of them we can cancel out. 1 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator, so we're left with minus 1 over 1 plus sine x. Since we started the function with y, so our final answer should have a differential of y, and that's your complete answer. Please do practice a little bit more. Thank you.